Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the first, I would like to say big thank you for International Conference of Mathematics and Mathematics Education. It was given the opportunity to me to present my article research with the title Dominant Factor were cause a great student error in solving on Cartesian coordinate multi-step routine non-routine modification story problem. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dani Nurendrayanto as a Master of Mathematics Education on Faculty of Teacher Training and Education of Universitas Blas Maret. So let's begin. I would like to present my in for the introduction. Education is a consistent effort that allows students to develop their potential optimally through the learning process. So in this case, construction of superior human resources like students as the next generation who can compete globally is an absolute demand that cannot be avoided in education. Entering the era of 21st century, quality of Indonesian human resource is still not competitive. According to the last report, Indonesian human resource ranked only on 111 out of 189 countries. So on So one of the various educational programs that can develop and strengthen the critical thinking and creative thinking skills toward informative and knowledge is mathematics. Mathematics in Indonesia is used com compulsory subject to be studied starting from the basic education level to the higher education level. However, in the real context, until now, most perspective of Indonesian students still view mathematics is difficult and confusing subject because, like the abstraction and the many formulas were confusing, so Indonesian students still not interested learning more deeply. So, in fact, by often uh, so, the condition of Indonesian are still not relevant to really student mathematics as indicated by perspective, and also because the relevant to practice uh, solve on other math problem that have been developed by the teacher, namely related in development the modified problem as routine non-routine multi-step story problems. So in line with that, there are several researches such as in Elmawati et al. It was represent the problem law of mathematical ability Indonesian student. The result from RISE uh, show that Indonesian student abilities in solving on math problem does not differ significantly between students who have entered the elementary education and level and students who have complete senior secondary education. And the other from PISA explained that Indonesia ranking in mathematics category was ranked in 73 out of 79 countries. And Hasibuan et al. Explained that the content of mathematics problem was tested by PISA. It for content and of the order, namely space and shape, and the junior high school level in Indonesia is related to geometric math problems. So in order, like from teams, so that Indonesia average score and ranking in the mathematics category was still very far from the international average score and was still in backward rank. So therefore, effort in improving quality of Indonesian mathematics education in online types and level of education, especially in the elementary education level in junior high school, needs to be given more attention. Uh, given the important mathematics, given the importance of mathematics for the next generation in dealing problem, the challenge of the dynamic of life, the development and the progress of science, technology, and global competition. One of the essential good learning mathematics to develop and improve student mathematical abilities. So, but in reality, obstacles such as difficulties in learning mathematics are still become context that needs to be considered along with needs to be independent effort that deepening of learning from students so that knowledge or mathematical concept basic and advanced can be optimally constructed in the student mindset. Difficulties in learning can be caused by internal factors or external factors out of the student. So, from that, uh, Apapio revealed that the learning in is an activity carried out to create a state process of learning. Therefore, it must be properly understood how the student get knowledge from their learning activities. The relevance of the implementation of activities is like doing application of emphasis on solving mathematical problem or motivate development mathematical problem. For example, routine, non-routine, multi-step modification story problem. However, in reality, this practice it was not always successful due to learning varies of students, especially with the condition of Indonesian students who are reluctant to actually learn mathematics and are also reluctant to practice solve on their math problem that have been developed by the teacher with its related like modified problems like routine, non-routine, multi-step story problems. If the direction and the purpose of the SF learning optimization are to uh, of course more or not just achieving curriculum competency standard. Uh, so mastery of each content material as well as in the subchapters of mathematical learning materials, including competence in solving on problem or question by student is an absolute demand that cannot be avoided and is also very important in mathematics education. Based on the survey interview that researcher conducted in the mathematics teacher of a grade on some junior high school, namely SMP Negeri 4 Wonosobo, was found the information that it is still very common to find the same mistake were continued by a grade student on an ongoing basis in terms solving on math problems like motivate development mathematical problem as well as in the of the subchapters of mathematics learning materials on geometry content, namely Cartesian coordinate. The error was found by the teacher after correcting the student work and assignment and on assignment and daily tests. Uh, the teacher also said the effort will develop mathematical problem had actually been done by developing motivated mathematical problem as an accommodation step for students to understanding in order as if to the best optimization and the other as an effort to improve quality of learning to achieve optimal learning. The mathematical problem developed by the teacher is usually constructed in the form of routine, non-routine, multi-step, modified story problem, and were output in such as in on assignment and daily tests. However, during implementation, the teacher said there will still got problem, namely that the same student mistake were still very often encountered on an ongoing basis. So for that, based on the description, what are the dominant dominant factor were cause a great student error in solving on Cartesian coordinate multi-step, routine, non-routine, modification story problems? We will reach for that. So the research method is research type, descriptive qualitative, research conduct in SMP Negeri 4 Wonosobo as a junior high school, research uh, participant is mathematics teacher of a grade and a grade student research data collection is served by the survey, interview, test, and documentation. Research instrument is the test, namely routine, non-routine, multi-step, modified story problem, and data analysis technique is used descriptive data analysis, such as data reduction, presentation, verification, and or drawn conclusion. The test, routine, non-routine, multi-step, modified story problem, it was conducted by the researcher for 5 problems like that. And the result and the discussion by the survey and the interview with the teacher, error occurred in the result of student work on Cartesian coordinate assignment of the teacher for number 1, like that. And error occurred in the daily test of the teacher for number 2, like that. And interview with the teacher, from reviewing the result of the interview with the teacher, that a correlation between the documentation for before 2 figures, like that. Uh, and the result of the interview with the teacher, a common trait, it can be drawn. The students are still having difficulties in determining the step for solving problems, understanding the position, conception of starting point with a curtain point, understanding the conception of perpendicular line and parallel lines to the x-axis and y-axis, and determine the distance from a point to a curtain point. So for the next, uh, for the test, it was conducted by the researcher. Uh, Error occurrence for number 3, for Cartesian coordinate diagnostic writing test. It was found the error occurrence like that. And the error occurrence for number 5, like that. And by the interview with the student give some answer for that. So from reviewing the result of interview with the student, you had correlation between the documentation for before 2 figures, like that. Uh, by the result of the researcher described previously and the result of interview with the student, a common trait, it can be drawn that students are still have difficulties in determining the step of for solving problems, understanding the position conception of starting point with a curtain point, understanding the conception of a perpendicular line and parallel line to the x-axis and y-axis, and determine the last the that and determine the distance from a point to a curtain point. So for that, based on the analysis of data obtained, it can be indicated that the dominant factor will cause a great student error in solving on Cartesian coordinate multi-step routine non-routine modification study problem. It's from internal student factor, the factor that come from inside of the student, such as the student difficulties. Reviewing for especially the result of interview previously, the student side condition when studying at home. Mm, Parents or family are always monitor, support, help, and environment around the house was also conditioned when got studying. Classmate or the teacher were also conditioned to help. From of from all of this, it can be drawn a common trait that are no problems from external student factors such as family environment, community environment, and school environment. So the researcher uh, concludes that the dominant factor will cause a great student error in solving on Cartesian coordinate multi-step routine non-routine modification study problems tends to from internal student factors, such as student difficulties, with are the fundamental basic but also very crucial for solving the problem. Student difficulties are as compelling step solve problem from multiple story problem, understanding the position of starting point to curtain point, understanding of perpendicular line and parallel line to the x-axis and y-axis, and the last determining the distance of the point of a curtain point. So thank you very much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.